Okay, guys, so it's a new week. I just wanted to explain this trade that I dropped on Friday on Bitcoin USDT. This particular trade here. Let me refresh. So this particular trade, the trade is active. I just want to recap on how I came up with the trade. So this trade on Bitcoin USDT, first of all, mapped out my structure. So you look at this point here, you see BS. This point here, BS is my own terminology for break of structure. Then after I mark out my break of structure, I use the recent low. That is the low of the last structure as an inducement, which is this XX. I usually mark my inducement with any terminology that I see fit, just to catch fun while making analysis. So this particular point now is XS. Why did I mark this out as a break of structure? You see that this structure here was broken by this side with the body of the wick, the body of the candle. Assuming the same broke with the week, I wouldn't have considered it because it wouldn't have been a real break of structure. It would have been a fake out. So this is the lowest point now to this break of structure here. So I use this lowest point as my inducement. Now, which other structure was there before this one was broken? Is this part? This is the last structure. This is the last swing high. Then this was the low before this move came to this side to cause the break of structure. Now you look at from this point now, this thing broke with the body. Now why did I not mark this side as a break of structure? This point here. I didn't mark this point as a break of structure because if you look at from here to here now, this stuff crossed with a week. So it's not valid. I consider this one a sweep in liquidity. Now how did I get to my entry? After marking out my inducement here, I picked out the last other block that swept liquidity, which is this one here on 45 minutes. You look at the way I marked it with this green box. So based on the fact that my stop loss is too big, I just come down to 5 minutes to refine. I refine using 5 minutes candle. That's all my trades. If you look at them very well. So if you look at this particular candle, and you look at this particular one, swept this one here. Look at it. Let me zoom out. This particular candle swept this one here. So I now use this one as my refined entry. Let me roll with this line. Going back to 45 minutes. Look at you see that the thing came straight to this point and started going up. So that is just it. And I target 1:3 risk to reward ratio on my trades normally. So that's that for this. I'm supposed to take this point as my take profits. This point here, because this place is targeted. But I just choose to stick to my trading plan and my risk to reward ratio. This place is targeted here. But I don't have business with anything the market does after hitting my take profits. So based on my past experience and what I have gathered, I saw that when I take trades during the weekend, if the trade does not hit take profit before Monday, most times the market comes down to sweep me out, and then starts going my way. That's why I posted an update that if you are still on this trade and it doesn't hit take profit before today's evening, that you break even. Should break even so that your winning trade will not become a losing trade. So you get. Now I now reanalyze now to find a new entry in case this trade goes bad and mm, you know I experience what usually happens, which is price comes to sweep me up before going my way, I look for a new entry. This new analysis now, I used sports sports bet to analyze it because I didn't want to delete all the history I have in Btcusdt. So if you look at this now, you will see that I'm making this analysis based on 4 hours time frame. And based on the 4 hours, somebody came to ask for something. I hope that this video continues from where I stopped. So based on this new analysis now is just based on in case price takes me out before going my way, I can still re-enter a new trade and you know make some profit. I decided to make this analysis using a 4 hours time frame. And based on the 4 hour structure, you see that price went like this. Price created this structure, moved to this high, and came to this low. Then move up to this side to form a break of structure. Look at this point here. This candle broke this structure with a body. So it's a valid break of structure. Now on price retraced to this point, which is the lowest, and created a new high, which is this side. The structure broke at this point, which is this point that I marked as break of structure. So based on my normal trading style, I use my last swing as an inducement. I remember that I can call my inducement any name I want. I can name it anything just to make just to catch fun while making analysis. So I'm anticipating that this price now based on this hour time frame will come down to take away this week and tap into these points and then move according to my way here like this. I'm using the last the lowest of this last structure here for my stop loss. I guess and I'm using this point for my entry. This is more than my target. My target is usually 1:3 is to reward, but I just put it like this. I'm going to take partial once it gets to 1:3 is to reward and let the rest run. And just like I explained before, this place will be targeted, but I have no business with whatever price does after reaching my own personal trading targets. Well, that's just all, sure. If you have any questions about how I trade, you can drop it in the comments. Some people are asking me for a Telegram group. I don't have any Telegram group yet because it's kind of stressful to manage. So I just prefer posting my trades here on TradingView so that anybody that is interested can just look through it directly. But any other time that I might be interested in creating a group, I will still update everybody here. Have a good have a prosperous new week.